Hi yogis. Boat pose number 18 brings us to the 50s and 60s with a twist movement. You could make an argument that this is a twist or a mashed potato or even potentially a stanky leg coming a little more towards the 2000s. So we're gonna add a little bit of movement with the legs, and if it feels okay to your back, you might add that little bit of a twist movement with the upper body as well. But again, you wanna hold the boat pose with integrity, so if it starts to fall apart, stop. Put your feet down, get your courage, and you might try again. All right, yogis, let's do this twist. So if you've got some great music, put that on. And then we're gonna bring ourselves to the same boat, half boat, lifting up. Oh. And then we're gonna add, maybe we're gonna add a little twist, and maybe the legs add a twist. So we can do a little, little twist, little twist, little twist, right? And if you can put it all together, add a twist both ways, add your twist. Maybe one leg goes to the ground, so you add a little extra support for yourself. Little twist, little twist. All right, yogis. Whew, I like this one after the twist. This is a lot of work, y'all. Enjoy boat pose number, I think that was 18, you guys, 18. Have a great night.